Engineered specifically for cannabis, the all-new STM Canna Revolution 2.0 grinder delivers a homogeneous, consistent grind, optimal for evenly packed pre-rolls and high-yield extraction. The Revolution 2.0 is designed, manufactured, and assembled in the USA and is constructed with commercial-grade components wrapped in a 100% food-grade, dent-resistant stainless steel body for long-lasting durability. With the ability to process 15 to 30 pounds of dry flower an hour, this advanced grinding system features a continuous feed, self-regulating closed-loop system to facilitate the prevention of congestion and clogs. The Revolution 2.0's capability to regulate auger timing and blade speed control minimizes downtime and reduces labor costs. Our proprietary technology utilizes a highly polished precision dual-blade oscillation system to create clean, scissor-like cuts with minimal agitation. Beneath the dual-blade system, an interchangeable fine or coarse particle screen ensures uniformity to produce consistent and reliable results. Integrated with a multi-point safety system, the Revolution 2.0 is OSHA compliant and backed by STM Canna's 1-year parts and labor warranty and unmatched customer service. The STM Revolution 2.0 is an asset which grows with your business, allowing your facility to scale as needed while maintaining the highest product integrity, which retains your precious trichomes, cannabinoids, and terpenes.